What's going on YouTube? Just want to do an updated toolbox tour of my TCA toolbox. It's 10 foot long, 30 inches deep, 6 foot tall. Had the box for about a year and a half now. It's an awesome box, great quality. Start with the top. Got it all lit up there. Pictures of my daughter. On the top, got all my mallets, sledgehammers, massive pry bars. Those Wilton sledges, absolutely amazing. Really like them. Top drawers. Basically got all my measuring stuff. Everything from dial calipers, micrometers, levels, squares. All my big calipers, big 18 in the back, 12s, tape measures, inside mics, square sets, machinist squares. Second drawer, scrapers, picks, wire brushes, non-marring picks, really nice, panel poppers, snap-on screwdrivers, the long cabinet type, and then the standard length ones, metric nut drivers, long screwdrivers, flashlights. These Nebo flashlights are absolutely awesome. More of my screwdrivers, Wera, really like that brand. Third drawer, metric nut drivers, zap straps, miscellaneous little odds and sods there. These are all my bits. Also got these Wera little combo kits there. Absolutely awesome, really like those. All sorts of bits for everything. Recently picked up these Milwaukee ones. I really like these shock zone bits. They're really nice. You notice a big difference going from a standard bit like this to this type. It's really different. It feels so much better. And vice grips and snap ring pliers, 10 snips. Fourth drawer. Pliers, cutters, channel locks. Nothing too fancy in here. Level, big pliers. Got the Nipex, those adjustable ones. I got the whole set. Really nice. Absolutely love those things. Come in really handy. Odd bits, O-rings, electrical terminals, miscellaneous, just garbage. Speed handles, T-handles. Milwaukee, the quick change drill bits, pretty handy. Fifth drawer down, got all my Torx, long Torx, stubby Torx, inverted Torx there, Sonex brand, 3/8 drive Torx, and all my crow's feet. All my Allen keys, standard and metric, and all my service wrenches. Deal a lot with hydraulics, so it's come in really handy. Top drawer, bottom box. Left hand side, got 1 inch and 3/4 ratchets. And I also got the 1 inch and 3/4 extendable ratchets from Easy Red. Really nice. Tire chuck, blue point, really nice. And all my sockets. Been beefing up my socket game lately. And so I got a 1 inch full set in the very back, a 1 inch impact inside of there, 3/4 deep impact, 3/4 standard, pass-through sockets, 1/2 inch on the left hand side here, mainly impact. Got the deep wobbles in 1/2 inch as well, standard wobbles, spline sockets, your chrome with 3/8. Got the 12-point wobbles, 3/8, and then my 1/4 inch, 6-point, 12-point impact, 1/4 inch wobbles as well. And all my metric. Don't really deal too much with metric, but gotta eventually beef that up as well. And then I got the recently picked up the fuel ratchets, the 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4. I tell you, they are absolutely amazing. I mean, so much power when I'm getting the boots as well, so we don't damage them. I mean, they absolutely work great. I love them. Second drawer, got all my ratchets, breaker bars, and then all my wrenches. Ratcheting, non-ratcheting, your standard type, your stubbies, these 0-degree offsets, the Weaver wrenches, those are really nice as well. Got my offsets, little stubbies, these X-beam from gear wrench as well, really nice. This is all my standard. Third drawer down, we got all our metric wrenches, same ratcheting, non-ratcheting, the Weaver type, stubbies, 0-degree offsets. And then I got the pry bars, miscellaneous pry bars. Fourth drawer down, air hammer, air saw, air drills, adjustable wrenches, strap wrenches, chain wrenches, pipe wrenches. And you got your punches and chisels and brass punches, files, needle files. Fifth drawer down, all taps and dies, reamers, countersinks, step drills. And on my massive wrenches, got the 1 to 2 inch in the gear wrench, ratcheting in the back there, and then your standard 1 to 2 1/4 in the front, massive 55mm proto. And I got the big, I think it's 1 1/4 to 2 in the offset wrenches as well. And my air tools, big 3/4 Ingersoll sander, Ingersoll butterfly ratchet for the butterfly wrench, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch Ingersoll ratchets, Ingersoll impact gun, Ingersoll air saw, sorry. Next drawer, it's got Bessie clamps, mallets, miscellaneous hammers, the respirator. And I got all my torque wrenches, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch Armstrongs, flare tight torque wrench for doing hydraulic fittings with all the adapters to go with it. And then all my extensions going from 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 3/4, 1, and then all my breaker bars. And then we got drills, parallels, tap and die sets, apprentice drills, transfer punches, easy out kit. Last drawer in the bottom box, got all my tube benders, 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4, tube cutters, and then miscellaneous grinding bits, roll locks, saw blades, carbide burrs, things for polishing, sanding belts, cut off wheels, things of that nature. So that was the main box. Go over to the side locker.